Hello everyone, my name is Greg Corbett and I am presenting my Capstone project for Foundations and just kind of showing what I worked on here. So what I did was I made a 12-team fantasy football schedule generator. The reason why I did this is usually every year I run a fantasy football league and I have to build a schedule with that every single time. Sometimes it's an easy year, and I can just replace a team or two in the full-on blown-out schedule, so the replacements don't take that long. And sometimes I'm running 5 leagues or 6 leagues or helping out, and I'm usually in charge of building the schedule with those leagues. And so things can get a little bit tedious or messy or whatever else. So some of the qualifications for this generator is there's 14 games in this league with 12 teams, and we have the 3 divisions, 4 teams each. Each team is going to have 7 away games and 7 home games, and then if you're within the division, you're going to play each other twice. And so when building an actual schedule out, it's very you have to be exactly precise with all this kind of stuff. And what I was doing before is I was running it on an Excel sheet, and just it just got crazy. So I thought I might as well just do this here. So the way that this works is you put in your league name, and you put in all the teams for this, and then you hit submit, and pretty much we have on the back end the schedule's put in there within arrays. So we have an array that is the schedule within another. We have another array within that schedule for each week, and then we have another array inside of that for each matchup between. And then that's what we do. So we end up running 3 different arrays to print this out and generate our schedules. So this works out really well. It's very, very nifty. It's another thing that I added was we can grab a league by name. So if I was to just put in, let's just do some gibberish real quick. Hopefully I don't break anything. And let's just make sure that character is not there. And that one too. And then we'll submit it. So it generates that week or that league or whatever. But if I come down here and pick your league, it can bring that back within the database. So what eventually is going to happen when I flesh this out is I will be able to have these leagues saved in the database and people can access them, but also have a way to get all the leagues within a drop down menu or whatever, so people can refer back to them or whatever. And also possibly we're going to do things to export to PDF or print or whatever else too. So, but yeah, that's my project there. I'm also working on deleting a league as well. But it was a pretty fun experience to kind of see how this all played out. And yeah, it was a good time. Thanks.